Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Model Shop Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you my progress on my 1965 Pontiac GTO model kit by AMT. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so first up we have the engine. It's not fully complete yet. I'm just starting to build the engine because the paint took forever to dry. Next we have the chassis or underbody. I did all the rivets around the outside. Just hand painted the exhaust and the transmission. I chose these cool, awesome mag wheels with red line tires, so those should look pretty good with the Gooooold GTO.
I love gold!
GTO body. I chose gold because I think it will really clash well with the black interior. I'll show that in a bit. But yeah, so I just chose this gold. I think it's Rust-Oleum paint. It turned out pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. I did 2 coats. Didn't hose it down, luckily. And yeah, so I'm super happy with how that came out. Here's the hood, if you want to see that. Very nice. With the firewalls. Very cool. And finally, the interior. I just finished this today. Did some chrome on the inner door panels. Whoa, what is going on with the camera? Did some chrome on the inner door panels. Did the dashboard as well. The gauges, steering wheel. Did the middle console. What is going on with this camera? Yeah, nice gloss black. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked the quick tip. We will be doing more quick tips in the future, so hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.